The Serpentine belt, aptly named due to its winding path around different engine components, serves as the crucial element that ensures the seamless operation of essential systems in your car. Its importance is vital as it powers the alternator, drives the AC compressor, running the water pump, and among other functions. In this guide, we will explore the vital role this seemingly unremarkable belt plays in the proper functioning of your vehicle's engine, along with an examination of symptoms indicative of a faulty serpentine belt. 1. Squealing noises. A prevalent indication of a worn or loose serpentine belt is a continuous, high-pitched squealing noise, especially noticeable during engine startup. This sound typically emanates from under the hood or the engine bay, serving as a common and unmistakable symptom. Increased engine temperatures can exacerbate belt dryness. When a pulley slips, it leads to the serpentine belt slipping as well, producing the irritating squealing noise. These elements collectively contribute to a weakened serpentine belt that loses the required tension to effectively engage each tensioner pulley connecting the belt. Conduct a visual examination of the serpentine belt to identify any cracks. The presence of cracks indicates a dry and brittle belt that is prone to snapping. In such instances, the most efficient solution to stop the squealing noise is to have a skilled mechanic install a replacement belt. 2. Heavy steering. The power steering system relies on the serpentine belt for operation. In its absence, steering the vehicle becomes challenging, necessitating significantly more effort and pressure to maneuver. Nevertheless, a loss of power steering does not necessarily indicate a problem with the serpentine belt. It might be attributed to low-power steering fluid, making it essential to check the fluid levels as a preliminary step. 3. Cracked serpentine belt visually. A simple and effective method to identify issues with the serpentine belt is to visually inspect it. Even for those with limited mechanical knowledge, a physical examination can reveal signs of wear and damage. If you observe any cracks, abrasions, separation, or other damage on the belt, it indicates a problem that requires attention. It's crucial to replace the belt before it reaches the point of complete failure. 4. Air conditioning not working. The serpentine belt plays a key role in powering the air conditioning system in your vehicle. When the serpentine belt slips, it can lead to insufficient or inconsistent cooling performance. This slippage may cause the air conditioning system to operate less efficiently, resulting in diminished cooling capacity, prolonged cooling times, or intermittent cooling. If you are unable to receive cold air from the vents, a potential issue with this belt could be the cause. 5. Overheating engine. The operation of the water pump, a crucial component for engine cooling, is also dependent on the serpentine belt. This belt drives the water pump, facilitating the circulation of coolant throughout the engine to regulate temperature. If the serpentine belt is slipping, damaged, or failing, it can hinder the water pump's efficiency in circulating coolant. This, in turn, can lead to insufficient engine cooling, potentially causing overheating issues. 6. Flashing light indicator. A deteriorating serpentine belt can activate warning lights on the dashboard, such as those indicating issues with the battery or alternator. Additionally, serpentine belt slippage or failure may trigger the check engine light on the dashboard due to its impact on engine sensors and components. The serpentine belt collaborates with the alternator, responsible for generating electrical power for various vehicle systems. When the alternator is compromised due to slippage or failure, it leads to inadequate electrical power, causing warning lights and trouble codes to become erratic. When it comes to fault codes, here are some examples of errors that may accompany symptoms of a faulty serpentine belt tensioner. 7. Car stop while driving. The serpentine belt plays a crucial role in driving the alternator, which, in turn, charges the car battery. Any malfunction in the serpentine belt can lead to issues with the alternator, resulting in a failure to charge the car battery. This lack of charging prompts warning lights to illuminate on the dashboard. If the serpentine belt ceases to drive the alternator, the battery is unable to charge. As the battery's power depletes, the car will eventually stop running. Moreover, attempting to restart the vehicle won't be successful due to insufficient power. Click on this video right here to explore the signs and symptoms of a faulty alternator. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. Thanks, I'll see you next time.